Welcome back to Mr. Weather Update, and today we're going to have a look at the live radar first, and then the precipitation, and then have a look at the GVFS for the next few days, as we're going to be seeing a constant high pressure, nice weather for the rest of the week. So there has been no rain today in all parts of England, even in far north of Scotland, where we usually see a bit of rain, even if it's like this totally very dry for the remainder of the day. If I rewind, there has been absolutely nothing really going on in England except nice blue skies and sunny weather. Just lasting out probably the last bit of nice weather we'll be having before next week, as we looked on the models, on looking on the October models. It's definitely going to be a lot more unsettled after this week, so it's going to be very unsettled indeed. However, there's nothing much to see on the radar for now. All we're going to see is clear skies, mostly. I've not seen much cloud around at all, so it's a little bit inaccurate. So, it's been very nice. And temperatures has been not too hot, not too cold. It's been quite warm. And this time in the warmest areas are in the southeast of Scotland. One can see a bit more darker colours, even in Ireland actually, instead of being southeast of England. And temperatures not really dropping as much as not really. Here are the temperatures for tonight and coming into tomorrow. So mist and fog will be possible for tonight, like it was today. Now looking on to the precipitation. There'll be no precipitation today. You can see here barely any clouds in most parts of England. Maybe a few lingering clouds in eastern Norwich area. Otherwise, that will be thickening throughout in Wednesday, creating the risk of mist and fog in the morning. But otherwise, another very nice day to come on to Wednesday. Slightly cloudier on Thursday for a start, but then it's going to clear up a little bit in some parts. And then on Friday night, unfortunately, it's not going to be very clear, and not going to be very nice. It won't be as settled as it would be in a few days. In fact, we might see some more showers, possibly thunder. In fact, possibly thundery, with some heavy rain possible. Now have a look at the temperatures really quickly. We can see it got to 21 in some areas, widespread 20s anyway, mid to high teens. Even warmer coming on Wednesday, 22 to 23 in the south, with again widespread 20s. And then on to Thursday, even hotter, even warmer. We could get to 22, 23, 24, and even a 25 possible in the south. Again, very widespread. And a little bit cooled down on Friday. For now, just sticking to 20 to 21, maybe another 22. And on to Saturday, actually getting a lot more warmer as well. 24 to 25, even a 26 is possible for some parts of England there. So it's going to be very warm on Saturday, okay? A little bit above average. Before we go, we're going to have a look at a few things. Fog fraction for coming up into tomorrow. Like I said, there was a risk of mist and fog. You can see here that it has dominating northern England with 0.8 possible, mostly in far north of Scotland for now. Now, looking onto the Cape, for the end of the week, we might be seeing some thunderstorms on Saturday. You can see very high energy coming on in the south there, especially in the southeast in Devon and Cornwall. You might see very heavy thunderstorms that will push in a little bit north onto the morning of Saturday. For now, with high Cape levels still around. For now, we can see here in the Midlands, very high energy, probably giving risk of thunder, hail is possible, heavy rain, and I can even see a bit of a red. If that pushes up, it could even form into a funnel cloud. Well, I don't think it will, but we'll have to see if that happens. Now, having a look at the relative humidity really quickly. It's going to be really humid in a few days, getting to around, obviously, as we're getting this fog, it's going to be really high humid. Now have a look at the GFS, seeing why we have been seeing such nice weather. It's because of an area of very strong high pressure at the southeast. We call it as anticyclone as it's been so warm and so settled lately, especially through the week. So there's an anticyclone, but then it will be weakening, and you can already see how it's going to weaken as there's an area of more lower pressure, giving it areas to showers and thunderstorms by the end of the week. But we still are in a settled picture for now. In fact, it will be it will be really good for the next few days. Today would be a lunar eclipse and a harvest moon, so it's a perfect conditions for it, which is great. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.